everybody, it's Sanna here today, and I am back with another this time it's not a card, it's actually a tag set tutorial for Elizabeth Craft Designs. And I am going to use this sleigh with that comes with this flower as a decoration piece element on my tags. Then I've used the light blue soft finish cardstock, and how was this set called? Let me see. This is from the planner set. So this is the set number 1740, and it's called Planner Pocket 3 Top Loading Planner Essentials 22. I'll put it up there so you can read it. So that is the number. You can look it. You can search it at the store with the number, or you can add in Planner Pocket number 3 and you will get this set. And there is this piece also in it and this one. So you can build your own kind of tag with this one. And I figured this would be a great die to do some Christmas tags. So doing something for Christmas presents this time. And I'm keeping really clean and simple because I thought this would be an idea that you can replicate and do tons and tons and tons of, like for 20 or 30 or more tags at once while you're at it. So let's keep it as simple as possible. So I've got, as a sample, I'm making a set of 3, and I've used light blue soft finish cardstock for this, for the background, and I've die cut it with this piece from the planner set, from the Planner Pocket 3 set. And what you will also need is some patterned paper, and I'm not sure if this paper is still available at the store, but this is the Wood Effects paper from Moda Scrap. But there are lots and lots of other paper packs at the store that would also work really nicely for this idea. And I've taken 2 papers from this set, and the one is, I've already cut them so you only see parts of them. So the first one is this one, and I've used that with the sleigh itself. And I've got ones horizontally, and the other one is vertically cut. So it gives it a little bit different look. So if you let me remove all these loose pieces here so you can see the sleigh, what it looks like. So whatever effect you're going for, pick the direction so you can place the die on the paper when you die cutting it. And remember also to use clear double-sided adhesive sheets on the back so it's easier to adhere in place. You don't have to mess up with liquid glue. And if you die cut it this way, then you get the horizontal lines from the wood pattern, and if you die cut it this way, then you get this look, which is more sleigh-like. But whatever you want to do, but works both ways. So that's just an example so you can see the difference. And for my flowers, I die cut 6 flowers for now. Let's see if I need more. And I used paper that Elizabeth Craft Designs, I think this is Moda Scrap paper that I had in my stash, just a little piece left over. And I think this paper set was called Fly Away. And this is one of the papers in that particular set, but I'm not sure if that's available at the store anymore. Anyways, if you don't get this paper, you can use any light pink paper, solid color, whatever you have. I'm sorry, that was the doorbell. Okay, let's continue. Where was I? I was telling you about these flowers that I cut them from this residue piece that I have, and I think the set was by Moda Scrap and called Fly Away. I'm not sure if it's available anymore, but if it's not, you can totally take unicolored, solid colored paper like light pink or something, or darker pink, whatever color you prefer, or just take white and ink them I might even add some inking to these to make a little bit more contrast. And I'm going to decorate these tags with those flowers. And then for the top part, to create the tag form, I've die cut this piece also from the planner die sets that I showed you previously, and it is this die. And what it does is it cuts this piece, and when you fold it you get this opening here, and then you can hang it to a present or add it to a present, and you get this wood grain color continued here, or this pattern continued. And the paper that I used for these parts, because I wanted to have little more interest there and not use the exact same paper, of course you could do that too, was this particular paper from the wood grain Motor Scrap paper sets. But like I said, you can totally take another paper also if this is not available anymore. And now basically the only thing you need to do is adhere all these pieces on place, add maybe a stamped sentiment, and since the background is white, you can write the wishes and whatever on the backside and add this to your Christmas present. So for the last part, I'm just going to put these pieces together in fast forward and then show you the end results when I'm finished with the tags. So it's really easy and simple and fast to do, so you can totally make like 20 or 30 in one session. It's not going to take that long. Just make sure you use the double-sided adhesive sheets on these pieces, on these filigrane pieces, because then adhering them on place will be much more easier and faster for most. So now I'm just going to put everything together and show you the results in the end. you.